If you try to add an account to Mail and Calendar in Windows 11 and Windows 10, and you get the error, try that again, something went wrong. Error code 0x80070490. This means that your Mail and Calendar app is either damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several solutions to fix your Mail and Calendar app in a quick and easy way. First, click on the Start button. Open your settings. Select Apps and Features. Go to Apps. Go to Apps. Locate Mail and Calendar. Click on the dots at the right and select Advanced Options. Find the Reset section. If Microsoft Mail is not working right, you can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Now press the Repair button. Now check if you can send mail again. If the app is still not working. If Mail and Calendar is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete the Mail and Calendar app on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. Now we'll try to uninstall the Windows Mail app and its settings. Your documents won't be affected. Now press the Uninstall App button. Press the button again. Open your Microsoft Store. Search for Mail and Calendar. Click on Mail and Calendar. Press the Get button. Wait for the Mail app to be downloaded and installed. Now launch your Mail app. First, open your Start menu. Type PowerShell. In PowerShell, click on Run as Administrator. Now type the command sfc/scan now. Wait for the scan tool to repair your system files. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.